Jungi Choksne Ngosin Top Seyot Khan Advertising Agency Soma Tale Nanga Stens Media Production Hestiyot Mimang Sujika Kaptak Zachis Sponsor Program Video Editing Voiceover Tang Translator Rikostom Yotna E Mobile Number Kunikani Tuk Yuzat
हमारे बच्चों को हौसला मिलते हैं, एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलते हैं अपने जो टैलेंट को दिखाने के लिए। तो ये मौका अपॉर्चुनिटीज प्रोवाइड करने के लिए मैं मैडम का तहे दिल से हमारे ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ ऑल द स्टाफ एंड स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ही आपका बहुत बहुत मशकूर हूँ, शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा। सेकेंडली आप काउंसलर साहब अपने मसरूफियत के बावजूद अपने टाइम निकल के यहाँ पे तशरीफ लाए, आपकी अच्छी एडवाइस से नसीहत से हमें इतना फ़ायदा मिल सके, हमारे बच्चों को स्कूल्स को भी एक डायरेक्शंस मिलेंगे कि आइंदा आने वाले एकेडमिक ईयर में हमें क्या क्या आपकी ताउन की ज़रूरत है। ख़ासकर एज इतना आप रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है हमारे इस ब्लॉक के, हमारे इस चुशोत कंस्टिट्यूंसी के टैलेंट को शो करने का एक मौका मिलेंगे। बहुत बहुत आप लोगों का शुक्रिया और आपको सबको वेलकम है।
National Space Day, may India's journey to the stars continue to inspire generation. Before starting my topic, I would like to share a quote related to ISRO. ISRO ने कर दिखाया है, चांद पर भारत का झंडा लहराया है। चंद्रयान 3 की लैंडिंग कराकर भारत का सिर गर्व से ऊंचा उठाया है। So today I am going to speak about ISRO. The acronym ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization. Indian Space Research Organization or ISRO is an Indian government agency that does space and planetary exploration using technology and applied astronomy. India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru established the Indian National Committee for Space Research, also known as INCOSPAR, in 1962.
And I'm very honored to speak in front of all of you about our scientists and our country's mighty space mission, Aditya L1. Aditya means sun in Sanskrit. Aditya L1 is India's first mission dedicated to studying the sun, making a significant milestone in the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Growing repertoire of space missions launched in September 2, 2023 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Aditya L1 is designed to explore the outermost layer of the sun, known as the corona, and to understand the complex processes that govern solar activity and its impact on space weather.
Spacecraft orbiting Mars since 24 September 2014. It was launched on 5th November 2013 by Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. It is India's first interplanetary missions, and ISRO has become the first space agency to reach Mars. After that solvent space program, NASA and the European Space Agency, it is also the first nations to reach Mars orbit its atoms, and the first Asian nations to do so. The Mangalyaan missions were created to study Mars and its atmosphere, minerals and morphology. It was launched with the help of PSLV-25 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota.
Today we gather to celebrate a historic milestone. Today, the first anniversary of Chandrayaan 3 landing on the moon. 1 year ago, on this day, India engraved its name in the annals of space exploration, joining an allied group of nations that have successfully soft landed on the lunar surface of the moon. Today, I want to talk to you about an innovator icon who revolutionized the field of space exploration in India, a man who dared to dream big and pushes the boundaries of innovation. A man who believes in power of science and technology to transform the society. I'm of course talking about the legendary Vikram Sarabhai,
It is an honor to speak to you today about a woman whose life and legacy have left an indelible mark on the world, that is Kalpana Chawla. Her journey from a small town in India to the vast expanse of space is nothing short of extraordinary. A true testament to the power of dream, perseverance and dedication. Kalpana Chawla was the first space woman of India. It was the dream that many Indians dreamed of, but only Kalpana was able to fulfill it. She had various ambitions in mind from her childhood only. Moreover, she is always had an interest in aircraft, and because of that, she took aeronautical engineering. Furthermore, Kalpana was a woman of a great passion and hard work, and she proved that nothing is impossible if you have true dedication for your work. According to her teacher, Kalpana always had a great interest in science. Also, she had the ambition to go into space. So from the beginning only, she was aiming to become an astronaut.
In Sanskrit, it is written Chandrayaan means the moon mission, and in science it is known as lunar mission too. So as Chandrayaan 1 was mission called drop down mission. The satellite will move over from the moon, and they drop an particle. They drop an instrument to measure the in the southern part to measure something. So when they drop that particle, they got that presence of water in the moon.
The first National Space Day, a day dedicated to honoring our national achievements in space exploration. On the first day, National Space Day, August 23rd, 2024, the theme selected is Touching Lives While Touching the Moon, India's Space Saga. Every year, August 23rd has been declared as National Space Day by the governments of India. And today, I am here to present a speech on the topic Indian Fast Satellite in 1975. India's first satellite, Aryabhat, was launched on April 19, 1975, assembled near Bangalore. It was launched from the Soviet Union by a Russian rocket. It was in 1972 that Vikram Sarabhai, the father of Indian space program, tasked one of his scientists, U.R. Rao, with these dreams of an indigenous made Indian satellite flying about the earth.
Molds, Renaissance. So, for some theory, amal chuchas, laglen chuchas, social. Principal Saba, yes, project, the no Joe Sasa, toast to work, tears and negato. E. Azukunika development site, G. Azuki Nagatomata is a Naranzimor. Compasang Usang Nalla, Nata is a cool one. Chishotina, Mangata, Quantitina, Monimopik Pesupin, Teoma is more Pegazin Samara. She has Nagatu Halachi Yopin. Mala Sastata, she shot in Hala, Quantitina school, education, Nata, Teosama, quality education, Nata, Yunga. To Nata roles, Nata, Yon to other parents, Molanchi, as good them. Activities use of Natama, Tasa Galen, Hala, you on Chespo. Some Chikata, high secondary school, Nata, Goman, in the Chisho, the Chichikoteno. Some person high secondary school, Unina activities, some Shingata, Zukota, Yunata, highlight to just social media, as well as Chitna, Chichuna, activities on Mazarino. She is an attack, tales of Nataka, Bishi from the Manipilo, Miminchespo. Ban Camre in a some she love it now. They won't kill me just what I school highlight research as they only appeal to any session as Ukunina at some she parents you to my parents meeting Boratos, unique discuss which as you to attack communication lucid, but Katantan education at again less citizen. So was a even at session as we not Gala, the she was done to was a Pakatantan, Sons, school Sameka, education in Nata, Focaspo, near Zimar as a something that I building classroom, she as you says you. Gomana Tankanchi, many essay, many Lucimet Kagan, classroom that Soma Taxi with couches in as you could chick Lucimet man. But primary school, middle school, meeting that are Lanchik, Makatsen, you say, even Zasumberry and a test of many, it took dozen things say, they will not cut something at I church and again like Chernago, then you church and result with a yellow result with a Manikazu and Jalabi. That rolls you, you met. yutkan bu ngata jala jose I inna thubu sangka ngata gin la chelna I we ko jala dugla so ping ne ko ngata muta ko cha hala school so ba sang te ume twin thore si azu bina sam chi ngata thore si result yong cha chini ngata sho dina yara tinna khak nam sazat ngata teacher indo che ngata ka shin ne to inna yutkan thubu sangka ngata gin la chala phone result ngata dugla ngata kela jose ngata ping chun tene waqi me ngata dawa cho nyana la khala ke yong se ngata yutkan po tene sting na ngata te so misal che chara so ba sang mambe mi
competition. So today's marking is out of 200. So the third position goes to Jigmel Dolma. She scored 149 out of 200. Second position goes to Tajammul. She scored 157 out of 200. And the first position goes to Sanjit Nisnit, 11th medical. He scored 164 out of 200.
पेंटिंग का जो ये रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर कर रही हूँ, इसमें काफ़ी बच्चों ने अच्छा बनाया है, काफ़ी मेहनत है इसमें, लेकिन कुछ बच्चों ने थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट जो है, स्पेस का कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो थोड़ा सा क्लियर नहीं था. पेंटिंग किया हुआ था लेकिन स्पेस का जो कॉन्सेप्ट होता है, जैसे मून है उसके ऊपर जो है स्पेस क्राफ्ट में जो वहाँ पे मतलब दिखाना होता है रॉकेट वगैरह, वो ते संगमा इन्वॉल्व नहीं था इसमें, तो इस वजह से वो लोग थोड़ा ये सब चीज़ें हमने देख के ये रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर किया है. फर्स्ट जो है स्पाल्जस डोलकर 11th क्लास, सेकंड शाहीना कौसर 12th क्लास, थर्ड Kashi Chondol 11th class.
National Space Day event po organize chostano yala. Actually ibo ngata 23rd August last year 23 na Chandrayaan 3 mission be teo as a National Space Day 23rd po all over India na ibo chostano yala. Ibo dang ngata shidlon Shri Narendra Modi Delhi ayu organize chostano, but unfortunately ngata da skimo chache space ngata the event po postpone jogos no yala. Teo during ika 24 jaga yu chuchu chama school ka painting na debate competition as a you organize chostano yala. Ibo Chandrayaan 3 mission anniversary lo chikhor kane talo first azuk point ole Chandrayaan 3 bina ngata matlab range rovers and Pragyan 3 and lunar ika cosmos azuika ive deploy choste ibo ngata successfully launch songte nole ngai watershed dina ive matlab total ngaje util Ladakh hina 11 projects hodele Ladakh hina lena ivo 6 Kargilina 5 ino lena projects 2 gina ne chik chik e chusho dinole ngai watershed dina ivo mainly GIS taggings and geo taggings and GIS technology. If you particular young website chostot kagale Bhuvan WDC 2.0 kaka ngata sam shigi e watershed na charji dulat te samate ka geo tagging chonoyale जैसे ngata Google में भी कच्चा चीना Bhuvan WDC 2.0 कच्चा चीना ngata ina overall util Ladakh ina Karachi Las Dulinio Chichuenio te वो te का geo tagging is a thoanoyale Google में भी जैसे कि ngata दसा ina जो Google में भी कस्ता ना थो अमीरोले ओते ना चोला Bhuvan WDC 2.0 कच्चा ना इवे last बसंग ना thoanoyale. Thank you.